What are your expectations when you call a professional roofer? Hopefully, not this.
Down, drill.
Trust me, it's only gonna get worse.
Yeah?
Here, roof. Got a problem up there?
Is this the level of professionalism you're used to? Call a true professional at Kenneth Roofing. We proudly serve North Carolina and Virginia and have over 20 years experience in the roofing industry. Not only will we show up on time, but we won't throw all of our stuff in your yard. Give us a call, 434-944-6005 for your free roof inspection today.